What's up guys, Eric at JPC. Today we're going over what's in the box. Today we got a Procharger Stage 2 kit. It's for a 18, 19, 20 model Mustang. Stage 2 kit, I think it's black. D1X head unit. It's their basic kit with a couple upgrades. I think we also got the big red. I don't know. We'll look when we pop it open. We'll both be surprised together.
Oh, what's in the box?
Quick, we'll go over the intercooler. So for any of you guys that haven't seen the Stage 2 kit from Procharger, bam! So this is the intercooler, comes with the kit. It's a pretty solid piece. As you can see, it's all sheet metal, TIG welded, super high quality, works real well. Then you obviously get your box of couplers and clamps. Pretty well packaged. It makes it nice because they keep kind of all the pieces together that go with each other. It's one of the intercooler pipes with the mass air meter. This is obviously your air inlet bag, as clearly labeled. Got all the hardware for the race valve. That's what's cool about their kits, is they label everything and kind of put all the pieces together of which component it is. So you obviously know this is for the blow-off valve. So when you're ready to hook that up, you just grab this bag and go on with it. PCV stuff. If you look at belt, they actually give you a 3-pack of oil. It's actually a 4-pack because they give you that one over there. So that way you're covered for your first couple oil changes with the supercharger, which is real nice. so here's a kit. It's all out the box, laid out on the table. We figured we'd just kind of run through all the packages and show you what they are real quick. So obviously here we got our supercharger. Like I said, it's a D1X with the optional black finish to match the bracket with the black finish as well. This is also available in satin and polished. So here we got that laid out, bracket, idler. You know, they do a really nice job of putting all your hardware kind of in pieces as you need it to make the install go a little bit cleaner. So once you go from the bracket, got the coolant tank, the lower pulley that's going to attach to your balancer, obviously the intercooler, we showed you guys that a little bit earlier, and here's the race valve. This is also a upgrade for these kits. It's a real nice piece, makes a bunch of noise, seals really well. You don't have to worry about it leaking or falling apart. It's all billet aluminum with high quality parts. You know, move on down here. Obviously you got your oil like we talked about, and then your oil changes. Comes with an air filter. And we just pulled out a couple of the pipes in pieces. I didn't get every single coupler and clamp out, but this is a little bit different in the race valve kit because it comes with the bracket to attach to the big red. This is another intercooler pipe with the mass air meter location in it. It's all nice. It's steel pipes that are been powder coated black. From there, you got some hoses, lines, fittings, you know, all your vacuum line stuff. All in all, it's a really nice kit that they package super nice so that the install is very clean and easy. And of course, you get your instructions, which is nice because a lot of people have gone to online-based instructions where you got to download it, and they actually print it out in a real nice book. You can keep it for if you have any future problems. So since we had this D1X out the box, we figured we'd go ahead and pull out this F3 to just show you guys the difference in the two. So this is a similar blower. Well, it's really the same blower like we run on Tony Hobson's X275 Mustang. So it's a F3D 102. All right, so to not make this whole video just about what comes in the box and you know what you get when you buy a Procharger kit, we were going to hit you with a little bit of tech. So the reason we choose Procharger over most other supercharger brands, especially centrifugal stuff, is the step-up ratio within the blower. You don't hear a lot of people talk about that, but like a D1X comes with a 410 step-up ratio. So basically that's the transmission in the gear case itself here. So to put it in perspective with some other supercharger brands that are out there, we won't name any names, but to achieve the same type of blower speed, you have to effectively run like a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch smaller pulley than you do with the Procharger. And where that helps is with belt slip. To be honest, these street cars, you're driving them up and down the road, you know, putting a ton of miles on them. Nobody wants to deal with a slipping belt or having to change your belt out every time they change your oil. So with the step-up ratio in the Procharger being a 410, you really get good life out of your belt, better belt slip, and overall just a better supercharger. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you guys have any more questions or interested in anything else about a supercharger for your Mustang, give us a shout or check us out on the website. We have all the kits, a bunch of packages on sale. So look us up. Thanks for watching, and we'll check you next time.